We have two Acer laptops here. One is the Acer Predator Triton 300 and the other one is the Acer Swift 3. We will unboxing this new laptop and we will find out what's the inside of this new Predator laptop. And the other one is we will sealing this one later on after this unboxing the Predator. Okay, without further ado, we will start unboxing the Predator laptop. Seal pa siya ng plastic. Okay. What we have here is the Predator Triton 300. Whoa.
Wow!
For sale Acer Swift 3. Napaka-slim niya mga paps. So, sobrang slim niya.
Wow!
Wow. May fingerprint siya dito. Saka all metal chassis and then lightweight at 1.5 kilogram. And then fingerprint reader and window sill. Up to 10-hour battery life. i5 7th Gen. Alright.
Wow!
Nung binili ko to ng brand new, almost 50,000 to mga paps. So, to those interested, you can comment your price in the comment box. So, name your price. Tingnan natin kung magkasundo tayo mga paps. Thank you po.